Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add YouTube link on your social network settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click account information, and now here you will find YouTube link. You can add your YouTube link here, and that's it. Click save and it will be saved. And that's how to add YouTube link on your social network settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.